return that to your car. This includes selfie sticks, option appears to be weapon, toy guns, knives, anything like that. Again, if you have an item that you do not wish to share with security today, please return that to your car now. Alright, this tram is prone for sudden stops and sudden accelerations. If you have this item while the tram is in motion, just notify for dispatch.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children. Thank you.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía esté en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Alright guys, once again, welcome aboard a Heroes Tram. Keep both hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tram while the tram is in motion. If you have an item while the tram is in motion, just notify me at the back of the next stop, and I'll make arrangements for you. Right now we're taking you to the ticket and transfer station center. The gateway of the match. You can come from there. You're still in a mile and a half away from the park. Two ways to reach the park will be the monorail system or the ferry boats. You can take one on the way there, one on the way back, or one both ways, your choice. The park will be closing at 10 o'clock tonight. Last tram service off the parking lot is at 11:30. If you show up to our load zones at 11:31, the stop guy walking towards your car then. Fireworks are at 9 o'clock tonight. It sounds like very good information, everything, but the most important information that you need to know on this tram ride is where you parked your car. Here on the hero side, your hero is Peter Pan. Peter Pan, 210, 211. Please remember that, do not forget it, or it's going to be a very long night in this parking lot. Alright, if you look to the driver's right where that yellow tram's at right now, do not ever go there. That is the villain side. If you hop on a tram in that location, you'll end up on the opposite side of the parking lot where your car is not at. It looks identical, but again, the only difference is your car is not there. Alright, there's a station all the way in the back over there, where there's no tram at currently. That is the Heroes load zone. That's where we're going to drop you off, and that's where we're going to pick you up. Again, so where we drop you off at is where we're going to pick you up. You guys are heroes. Your hero is Peter Pan. Peter Pan, 210, 211. When the tram comes to a complete and full stop, you're all going to have to exit to the driver's left-hand side exit only. No right-hand side exits, as Captain Hook would happen to that right-hand side exit. As I mentioned before, this tram is prone for sudden stops and sudden accelerations, so keep all hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the tram. Supervise your children at all times, and again, do not get up, do not stand up. I will let you know when it's safe to exit the tram. Again, we are approaching that stop now. When the tram comes to a complete and full stop, you're going to exit to the driver's left. Left-hand side exit. Only no right-hand side exits, as Captain Hook would happen to that right-hand side exit.